Hi, this is Mindset 360 training with Aisha Roberts, and this is step 5. And in this video, I should be talking about Vincent Ortega, which is one of the founders of SalesVision. And from what I can gather from the video I just watched about him, is that whatever he went through in his life made him realize what his purpose was. And he found out that by really helping people and transforming people's lives and touching other people's hearts, he found his true purpose. And that's what he's able to transmit and convey. So that's one of the things that attracted me to his vision, was that to hear his vision and believe in him. The way he talks about him, you can tell he's a real person. You can feel that, and that's mainly the reason I joined his company. I've heard about him probably just only a few years back through social media, one of the platforms, and I was seeing that he was having fun and everything, and that was really interesting. I like seeing people, really enjoy life, really enjoy this world, which is that we're supposed to be here. But in the meantime, we need to care about other people and making a difference in somebody else's lives. And he does that. So there you have it.